guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this autofocus video effect on CapCut PC. So copy and paste. Actually, you don't need to copy and paste your videos. Just go to effects and select blur, and you can either use like just this blurry focus to like autofocus it from like a blurry to like a not blurry. You can also adjust the speed here as well. Or if you'd like to have more control over it, just add in the blur effect. I'm trying to find one. There you go. You can keyframe effects now. So add a keyframe at the beginning. For instance, you want to have the blur at 70%. And then at the end, you want the blur to be on 0%. You can do that and you'll have more control over it like so. And that is it. Maybe you want to make the image sharper so that it will look like it's focused a little bit more on it. You can definitely select the sharpen under adjustments. You can also adjust the contrast as well here. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.